I found my love. 1967, little love. As my time went by, I was satisfied with that situation. Took me by surprise, but there were 2 trains running on that line. One train's a me and the other's a friend of mine. Ticket, but I took my name. Hadn't got no money, so they started to complain.